Welcome back to my channel and to our home. Today I'm going to let you in and we're going to explore the entire house and all of our fun spring and Easter decor. And of course Holly was waiting for me. So actually I have moved our hutch. You asked about it on my Valentine home decor. I moved it into our hallway to make room for the piano. But I decorated it just a touch different than I usually would since I didn't want to put a ton of canisters in the hallway area. So I found some of these decorative plates that I had stored away that are collector items, and I thought it looked so spring and colorful that I wanted to bring it into the home. And then just odds and ends, cute little Easter items that I have collected over the years. And then walking out of the hallway and back into the great room, we're gonna actually go right into the kitchen first. This is the main part of the home where I am at most days, so I love having a lot of little pieces of decor here on the tiered trays. Now that we have such a large island, I felt like I could do a second tray this year, and I did this little faux dessert tray because all of those treats, if you can believe it, are not real. They were purchased at a local boutique here. And then moving into the back area of the kitchen, I put out these towels that I actually do use, and then I put them right next to the stovetop. It's usually where there's a mess happening, if you know what I mean. And then over here next to the stove, I have most of my little Rae Dunn pieces. I love bunnies and I love carrots. You will see a ton of carrots everywhere and a ton of bunnies everywhere for Easter, including a carrot here that I use for my spoon rest. And then lots of cute little bunnies in my little crock here. And then on the very top of the kitchen stovetop area, I have this sign that was from the Target dollar spot, if I'm not mistaken, but it was last year. Such a cute, just love it, everything about that sign. Then over here in our coffee bar, I have this cute little tweet jar. That's my probably only new Rae Dunn piece. I actually got my mom one too, and she has hers in her kitchen. And then on our little tray here, I switched it up. I have some faux carrots. I still have our cinnamon and nutmeg and some toothpicks because that's all we really use at the bar, if anything. Also, Bessie got a little bit of a update here with her cute little wreath that's from Valerie Parhill from QVC. So this is a mock-up version of what our Easter table will look like. Well, minus the wrinkles in the linens. I'll be ironing those out. But I wanted to share with you what our table will end up looking like. Everything was just repurposed from years past, except for the little chicks that are kind of sprinkled throughout the middle there. Those are new from QVC, as well as the candlesticks, the bunny candlesticks. But you will notice the plates from Pier 1 from years past, as well as the napkins. And then in the back here, I just have a floral runner with some speckled eggs, lots of carrots. I wanted to incorporate the same colors throughout the entire kitchen area. So you'll see some pastels running through the mug rack here as well to match the. We also have a few details in our half bath, just the Happy Easter sign as well as the Easter egg candle. The candle is from Target, and they do have them this year. I got this last year, however. And the sign is from Home Goods. And then on our piano, which we are going to get refurbished at some point, it just looks nice and antique now, which I love. But I just threw some of the garland I had at Christmas, and I draped some carrot garland over it as well. I have that carrot patch sign from Hobby Lobby, and these cute little guys were purchased from Amazon as well as Home Goods. And then on our truck we have some rabbits with some Easter eggs, and on the sofa table I just have some, again, bunny and carrot details and some pastel colors. You might recognize some of these pieces from the Decor Created box, which is a annual quarterly box. This embroidered piece that I'm showing you is actually my grandma's that I wanted to incorporate with the pastel colors. And this little birdie and this whole piece was from my Decor Created box. And then down below, I also have this cute Happy Easter sign, as well as a Easter basket. The Easter basket I found at HomeGoods, but there's one very similar on Michael's website that I will link for you, as well as a bunch of florals I already had from Amazon. These fun burlap looking carrot wreaths were from Target from Opal House. And then these cute little bunnies taking selfies. They are on either side of my hutch, and I'm actually showing you how I did update the lanterns by putting some of those wreaths on them as well to just give some more pop of color. And then the tops of my 2 rows there are pretty simplistic, just our basic spring decor. And then I got the little rabbit and carrot garland that was from HomeGoods from years ago. And the larger bunnies are Valerie Parr Hill. And here's the other little bunnies taking a selfie. I just love them. They remind me of Chris and I and the kids on the other side. Our hallway table we pass every single day, so I wanted to make sure to have our frame with all of our pictures still on this table, and I just added some Easter details with the eggs and the floral details. That vase in the background was found at an antique mall. And on our coffee table, I decided to put the lanterns over here from Kirkland that I had originally in our kitchen. And I have little wreaths with some eggs in them. Those were from Kirkland home as well. And the flameless candles that we have on during the nighttime. And I just kept it real simple and practical and cozy for us. So there's a few different decorative pillows, but definitely you can tell we use this space more than any other. It's nice and cozy. I love that candle holder from Bath & Body Works that looks like a bunny. I mean, how cute is that? And like I said, just a few pops of color here in the living room with the throw pillows and our blankets. And my favorite blanket is at the very end of this sofa. It's so soft, and I love all the Easter details on it. And that is the end of the Easter home tour. I hope you guys did enjoy. Please subscribe if you are new to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It does really help people to find my channel, and I really appreciate it. If you'd like more content with home decor, fashion, just lifestyle in general, come share with me on Instagram at Melissa Rose Bruner. I'm also on TikTok at the same name. See you in the next video.